Here we've got another, just a beautiful easy trail, 1074. They did not buy it new. They bought it from me a lot of years ago. It's always been shedded since they had it. It's got extension tongue, 1074 here, which should be like a 10-ton easy trail. Easy flow bed, which is a 300, 7-foot wide. I believe these are 10 foot long. Just a beautiful looking wagon. Light kit, just 12 foot long. Got the galvanized chute on it. Just excellent work comes out. These guys were particular, and their stuff is some kind of nice. Wish there was more of them out there, but unfortunately, those guys are all kind of retiring on us. But nice opportunity. So the tongue is here we go. Extremely tight in the front end. This thing should pull as fast as you want to go. It does have an extension tongue on it.